Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is law of supply. See, law of supply states that other things remaining constant, quantity supplied of a commodity increases with increase in the price and decreases with fall in its price. So, law of supply states that other things remaining constant, there is a positive relationship between price of a commodity and its quantity supplied. Thus, more is supplied at higher price and less at the lower price. In other words, there is a positive relation between price and quantity supplied. Now, here is the explanation of this law of supply. Law of supply is explained with the help of this supply schedule of table 1. You see, in this table, it shows that quantity supplied increased from 50 to 100 units when price increased from 4 to rupees 5 per unit. Also, it also shows that quantity supplied increases from 100 to 150 units when the price increases from rupees 5 to rupees 6 per unit. So now, implying that there is a positive relationship between price and quantity supplied of a commodity. This figure 1 offers diagrammatic explanation of the law of supply. So law of supply may be further illustrated with the help of supply curve. Law of supply can be explained with the help of this diagram. You see, SS supply curve, SS slopes upwards. It shows increase in quantity supplied. It showed increase in quantity supplied in response to increase in price of the commodity. So it shows increase in quantity supplied in response to increase in price of the commodity. Thus we can say that quantity supplied increases from OL to OL1. Quantity supplied increases from OL to OL1 when price rises from OP to OP1. So in this diagram, what we observe here that this SS slopes upwards, the SS supply curve slopes upwards from left to right. It shows positive relationship between price of a commodity and its quantity supplied. As the price rises, quantity supplied also rises. Now, this law of supply is based on certain assumptions. Now, you see, number one is the assumptions of the law of supply. The number one is that there is no change in the price of the factors of production. Number two, there is no change in the technique of production. Number three, there is no change in the goal of the firm. Number four, there is no change in price of the related goods. Number five, producers do not expect change in the price of the commodity in the near future. And the point to be noted here is that assumptions of the law of supply refer to all other determinants of supply other than price of the commodity. You see, and there are some exceptions to the law of supply as well. The positive relationship between price and quantity supplied of a commodity. The positive relationship between the price and quantity supplied of a commodity may not always hold good or may not firmly hold good in certain situations. As number one is, the law of supply does not apply strictly to agricultural products whose supply is governed by natural factors. If due to the natural calamities there is a fall in the production of the wheat, then its supply will not increase, however high the price may be. Number second, the supply of goods having social distinction will remain limited even if their price tend to rise. And number third, sellers may be willing to sell more units of a perishable commodity at a lower price. So these are some exceptions to the law of supply. Thank you very much.